More than half of the world's poor don't use banks, leaving them vulnerable to loss, theft and exploitation. A new World Bank study using data collected by Gallup says women and the rural poor are particularly likely to have no bank account. In many countries, over 95% of adults are among these so-called unbanked.
We also interestingly find that women most commonly report that they use somebody else's accounts, suggesting that they don't have ownership over their accounts and their own assets the way that men might.
The Gallup data is part of the World Bank's Global Financial Inclusion Project, or Global Findex. Funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Global Findex finds that most adults earning less than $2 a day save money in informal ways.
ኣይፍለጥን ነይሩ እቲ ገንዘብ ህዝቡን ገንዘቡን ማሓዘ ይኽእልን ነይሩ ኣይትሕዝኑን ነይሩ ትምሽቀሉን ብዙሕ ኣይነበረን ስለዚህ ተንረኸበን ርካበታት እውን ኣብ ሓምሓም ኣብ ቆጥቋጥ ኣብ ዃና.
Pests, fires or theft aren't the only dangers. No bank account also means no interest on savings, no credit history, no mortgages, and often higher fees for loans. Factors such as these mean the unbanked are less able to start their own business and are more likely to remain poor. But for some, the costs of having a bank account seem to outweigh the benefits.
Nearly 2/3 of the people who say that they do not use an account don't use it because they don't have enough money. About quarter of the people also complain about high costs of banking. And nearly as much almost also complain about the distance to traveling to a bank, which means long bus rides for many.
So efforts are underway to make banking more accessible to more people. Cell phones are also a way to shortcut the scarcity of physical bank buildings in less developed areas. In Kenya, more than 2/3 of adults say they use their mobile phones for money transactions such as paying bills and making deposits. The current and future rounds of Global Findex data can be used to track the effects of financial inclusion policies globally and develop a deeper and more nuanced understanding of how people around the world save, borrow, make payments and manage risk.